Hello, girls and boys. How are you? It's been a long time and I miss you. Olá, pessoal, tudo bem com vocês? Faz um tempinho que a gente não se vê, né? E eu estou com saudades, tá? Today we are gonna talk about farm animals. Do you know what are farm animals? Hoje a gente vai falar de animais de fazenda, tá? Então a gente vai falar um pouquinho sobre esses animais e quais são esses animais. Alright, let's get started. So today we are going to talk about five animals. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Five farm animals, okay? Starting with the cow. Everybody repeat. Cow. Very good. Then let's move on to the horse. Everybody repeat with me. Horse. Good. Then we have the pig. Let's repeat. Pig. Great. Then we have sheep. Everybody repeat. Sheep. Good. Then we have hen. Everybody repeat after me. Hen. And finally, we have the chick. Everybody repeat. Chick. Só pra gente relembrar os animais que a gente viu. A vaca, cow. O cavalo, horse. O porco, pig. A ovelha, sheep. A galinha, hen. E o pintinho, chick. Now, what sound does these animals make? E o som que eles fazem? Let's practice. First, the cow. The cow makes moo. So everybody with me. Moo. Moo. And the horse. The horse makes neigh. Everybody repeat. Neigh. Neigh. What about the pig? What sound does the pig make? The pig makes oink, oink, oink. Let's go. Oink, oink. And the sheep. The sheep makes baa. Baa. Let's do it. Baa. And the hen. The hen makes cluck, 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 cluck. Let's repeat. Cluck, cluck, cluck. And finally, the chick. What sound does the chick make? Cheep. Cheep, cheep. Everybody, cheep, cheep. Very good. So, we are gonna listen to a song now. So, I want you to pay attention, listen carefully, and then you can practice at home, okay? Então agora nós vamos ouvir uma música e aí vocês podem ouvir essa música para tentar cantar em casa, tá bom? Let's go. The cow on the farm goes moo, 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 moo. The cow on the farm goes moo, 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 down on the farm. Moo, moo. The horse on the farm goes neigh, 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 neigh. The horse on the farm goes neigh, 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 down on the farm. Neigh, neigh. Let's go, everybody. The pig on the farm goes oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. The pig on the farm goes oink, oink, oink. Down on the farm. Oink, 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 oink. Next one, let's go. The sheep on the farm goes ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. The sheep on the farm goes ba, ba, ba. Down on the farm. Ba, ba. Almost there, let's go. The hen on the farm goes cluck, cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck, cluck. The hen on the farm goes cluck, cluck, cluck. Down on the farm. Cluck, 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 cluck. Let's practice. Let's go. The last one now, huh? Let's go. Sing with me. The chick on the farm goes cheep, cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep, cheep. The chick on the farm goes cheep, cheep, cheep. Down on the farm. Okay, did you like the song? Gostaram da música? Now, I suggest you to try to mime the sounds of the animals, okay? Practice at home and I'm sure it's gonna be perfect. You can also draw your favorite animal. Is it the cow? Or maybe the horse? Or the pig? Or even the sheep? The hen? Or the chick? Draw this on your drawing notebook, okay? And show me, I'm gonna be very happy. Então, como eu falei para vocês, vocês podem imitar o som desses animais em casa e desenhar o animal favorito de vocês no caderno de desenhos. E eu quero ver depois, hein? Vou ficar muito feliz. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye bye!